Let's make these paper rows together. All you're gonna need are 3 pieces of square paper, and let's start by folding them. First, fold it on a diagonal. And now fold it again in half over the center line. In next step, fold it over the center line, here where everything meets. Like this, and do the same with the rest of the papers. Next, take a pencil and draw a shape of a petal on it. And take scissors and cut it. And use this petal as a guide for the next 2 pieces of paper. And cut them. In next step, also cut off the point of the paper on all 3 pieces. Now open the paper . And on first one, you will cut this one out. So just follow the lines. Like this. And on the next, cut 2 pieces out. And on the last one, cut 3 pieces out. So 1, 2, 3. Like this. Now we'll take 1 piece of the paper and make sure that all of these lines on the paper are facing outwards. So the one that is facing upwards, we'll bring it in. So on one, again on the second. And on this one. And also with this one that has 3 on them. Like so. Next, you will take a toothpick or some kind of a stick and roll the outside of the petals inwards so that it will be kind of a comb shape on one side and on the other. Like so. And do the same with this one that has 2 petals and this one that has 3 petals. Now it's time to glue them together. First I will take the piece with only 1 petal and apply glue on the side of a paper. And now I would roll it into the shape that I want, like this, and hold it together so that the glue adheres. Now take the piece with 2 petals and apply glue on the side. And again roll it in to a desired shape. Something like this. The same with this one that has 3 petals. But here we will apply this part of the paper to this one right here, so just roll it a little bit inwards. Like this. Now with next one that has more petals, we will apply glue on 1 petal and then fold it over to glue it together. Like so. Next you will take your toothpick or a stick and just roll a petals a little bit downwards. And also do the same with this one that has 3 petals. And now here comes the part to combine them. So we'll combine them from the largest to the smallest. like so. For this, you will just apply glue on the bottom part of the paper and then stick them in together. And if you want, you can also use a glass for it so that the rose will stay in it while it's drying. So just place the biggest part in it and then take one that is smaller, apply a glue on the bottom of it, and place it inwards. And you've made your origami rose. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe for more.